Every January, I see gardeners making the same mistake. They wait. And by spring, they're already behind. If you want stronger plants, if you want earlier harvest, and if you want to have less stress this year, there are some things that you should be doing right now, not later. I'm in zone 8A, and this applies almost everywhere, but you want to make sure that you adjust your planting dates toward your area. If you're thinking about fruit trees, January is the time you want to be looking, because many other people have already started last month and the month before. This is why nurseries have limited stock now in January, and the best varieties are going fast. I see people all the time wait until the spring, and then when they look for the trees, the trees that they want are already gone. So this is why it is important to get your fruit trees early, because it gives you time to plan the placement. It gives you time to plan to clean up that area that you want to place that tree, and it guarantees that you will get the tree that you want. So don't be one of the ones looking online and when you see everything is all gone because you waited too late. This is also the perfect time to clean or replace your trays. I know this is tough. I hate it, but it's very important that we clean the trays, because dirty trays can cause dampening off and it can weaken your plants or your seedlings. And we don't want that. I don't want to start over. I know you don't. Also, if you have trays that need to replace, you want to go ahead and do that now, because the better trays, the best trays, tend to go fast. You don't want to make that mistake and have to scramble all around. I had to do that years ago. I don't want to do that again. And if you are new to gardening and you want some trays, I'll leave a link down below, and a couple of those have my discount code, and they'll be down there for you if you want to try those. But getting my trays now is very, very important, so I don't have to be in a pinch or be struggling or worried. January is when I buy seeds, especially the popular varieties like your tomatoes, your peppers, and melons. Those favorites go fast. Having them on back order pushes back your entire schedule. So it's very important to have your seeds on hand, even if you're not planting yet, because that keeps you ahead of the game. Just don't plant your warm weather crops too early. Excitement is good, leggy plants are not. So I hope that you are on my email list, because if you're not, you're gonna miss your chance. Let me bring you in close on having a chance to purchase some of these winning watermelon seeds, because you know I won the Watermelon Wars Challenge, and these are going on sale. And the way how you find out, because I don't have many, you're going to find out when I put it in my email list. If you want to know how to get on my email list, then head down into the description after the video. It's going to be at the very top, and you're also going to get a free guide that talks about watermelons. So I will say that the winning melon this year is coming out of this bag. Don't miss your shot. One of the biggest advantages you can give your garden is to fertilize the soil right now. Organic matter needs time to break down. Feeding the soil in January means nutrients are going to be available for the plants in spring when they need them. It is not about forcing growth, it's about building healthy soil. Slow and steady wins here. Now, if you need help with organic matter, I'll put a link down in the description so you can see all the amendments that I use, because I just did this on this plot right here, and it's going to help you greatly. If you're starting seeds indoors, now is the time to set up your simple grow station. You don't need anything fancy. All you need is a shelf, you need lights, you need your timer, and for some of you, you may want to have your heating mats, but that's it, you're done. The reason why I like having my grow system inside is because I can start early, get mature plants, and I get to save lots of money. And also I get to have varieties that I normally couldn't get from the local box store. It opens everything up. I can use everything I want to try, I have access to. So that is one of the reasons why I like having my very own grow station. If you want to learn how to set up a grow station, I will put my video up in the end, and then you'll be able to see, and as well as I will list everything that you need to get your own grow station so you can save money and not have to buy an expensive one. January is not about planting everything. It's about setting yourself up so that your spring is easy. The gardener who moves now always have the better results. If you want a better garden this year, you need to start right now. And just remember, if you're not signed up for my email list, you need to go ahead and do so down in the description so that you can get these seeds if you want to grow the biggest melon, if you're competing in watermelon wars, or if you're not. But they will go quickly because I don't have many. All right, and just remember, I'll see you in the next video. I have them one here and one there. See you there.